Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today we are making spiral potato snacks that are crispy, flavorful and fun to prepare with a seasoned potato filling. Wrapped in thin dough strips, these golden bites are perfect for tea time, parties or whenever you are craving something crunchy. Take half cup all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon ajwain. Now add half teaspoon kalonji, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oil. Mix everything well. Ajwain and kalonji add a delicious aroma to homemade dough. Add 1/4 cup water. Knead into a smooth and soft dough. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes. Take one potato. Peel the potato. And cut into long pieces. Add 2 teaspoon corn flour, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon peri peri masala. Mix everything well until the potato is evenly coated with the seasoning. Now take a portion of the dough. Roll it into a thin sheet. Roll the dough thin so it becomes extra crispy after frying. Cut the edges. Cut the dough into long thin strips. Wrap the dough strips around the potato to create a beautiful spiral design. Heat oil over medium heat. Fry in medium heated oil. Fry until they become golden brown, crispy and perfectly cooked. Your homemade spiral potato snacks are ready, crunchy on the outside, flavorful on the inside, and beautifully shaped. They are sure to impress everyone at the table. Make them fresh and enjoy this delicious snack with your favorite dipping sauce. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy snacks, baking recipes, and delicious homemade treats.